Welcome back. And today's topic is on wish plus tenses. This is an advanced lesson, and we're going to have a quick grammar drill to do. So let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm David Sugarman, and today we're talking about how to use wish to express feelings about the past, the present, and even other people's behavior. You'll learn how to sound more natural when expressing regret, disappointment, or irritation, the way native speakers do. So let's go over the structure overview. So when you want to express the regret about the past, you can say wish plus had plus verb 3. If you want to express irritation with others, you can say wish would plus verb 1. And if you want to express the desire to change the present, you can talk about wish and would plus a verb 1. Here are some examples. I wish I had called her. I wish you would listen to me. I wish I lived closer to my family. Wish changes tense to move one step back in time. Wish plus the past. It's used for regret about something that already happened or didn't. The structure is wish plus had plus the past participle or verb 3. I wish I hadn't missed the bus this morning. I wish they hadn't forgotten my birthday last week. You will hear this structure a lot if someone's annoyed with you or irritated with you. So it's wish plus would. It's used for annoyance about someone else's behavior. Structure is wish plus would plus the base verb. And it sounds like this: I wish you would listen to me for once. Maybe you've heard this before. I wish she would stop interrupting me. So it's kind of a complaint, but you're frustrated and you want someone to change. So we have another common structure. It's about regret in the past. Wish plus the past perfect. It's used for expressing regret for missed opportunities. I wish I had brought my keys. I wish I had called her yesterday. So the feeling is it's too late now. So, how it feels. We use wish to show emotion. It's not just grammar, okay? So, wish plus the past simple, wish plus the past perfect, wish plus would. I want my situation to be different. I regret what happened. I'm annoyed with someone else. Again, we use it to show emotion, and it's not just grammar. So I want to say, first of all, you're doing great. And now we're on a practice slide. So we have to complete the blanks. And I want you to think here. And I want you to take a pen or pencil with your notebook and write down your answer. And then also repeat it out loud. So, number one, I wish I not forget to send that email. Write down your answer. Now I want you to repeat your answer. Say it out loud. Great. Number two, I wish you stopped complaining all the time. Write down your answer. Now say your answer out loud. Number three, I wish I bring an umbrella. It's raining now. Write down your answer. Now, say your answer. Number 4, I wish they invite me to the party. Write down your answer. Say your answer. Okay, let's go to the answers now. I'll read them out to you. Answers: I wish I hadn't forgotten to send that email. Number 2, I wish you would stop complaining all the time. Number 3, I wish I had brought an umbrella. Number 4, I wish they had invited me to the party. And I want you to notice again how the tense moves one step back. Here are some common mistakes. So I'm going to give you the mistake and then give you the correct one. I wish I didn't miss the bus. We want to say, I wish I hadn't missed the bus. I wish you stopped talking. You want to say, I wish you would stop talking. So always use the past or had plus verb 3, never the present. So remember, we have wish plus the past simple. It means I want things to change now. The second thing, wish plus had plus verb 3. I regret something in the past. And the third thing is wish and would. I'm irritated with someone. I want to say you did great today. Now you could go to davidenglish.info and you can practice the wish plus the tenses quiz and learn how to express regret and emotion naturally in English. Again, give me a like, pass this on to a friend that needs this, hit the bell to get more videos like these, and of course, leave a comment, say hello. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years and I can really help you. Currently right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.